With that being said, the first drill is going to be a jump into a pike. That means you are going to leave your knees out in front of you to have your weight carry forward. So jump towards the bar, leave your knees in front of you, and get a nice swing. Perfect. I'm going to do that one more time. If you want to have a more crazy hollow position, you can. But the idea is we're letting our momentum carry us forward and then come back. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. With that being said, I want everyone to find a spot on the rig. You're going to do 2 quality reps. We're going to now do a jump into an arch. That same position when we jump and have our feet carrying our momentum forward. Once you are past this line of the rig, let your chest start reaching forward to get to a nice arch position. And once you're in that arch position, we're going to snap and press ourselves away. What does that look like? Jump, arch, press away. You should try to land in the same spot that you jumped from. Does that make sense? All right, once again, jump, big arch, press away. Try the thing. We're doing 2 reps, everyone, for quality. On minutes 9 through 12, we're going to be doing eccentric pull-ups. You can stand on a box. You can grab a band. You can do a kipping pull-up. But the idea is you are going to control yourself down for as slow as you can for 2 quality reps. If you're doing minutes 9 through 12 on the beginner version. Does that make sense? And with that being said, you're going to press yourself into the same ranges of motion. Big arch. As you come back into this hollow position, you're going to add a jump, push down to get on top of the bar. Does that make sense for the progression of a drill if you're doing a box bar muscle up? Another one.
That was good.
Come out. Big jump. Heck yeah. Nice. All right, your turn.